So sometimes women tell me they get through the whole range of the first divorced year, and now they're struggling with how to reacclimate and reconstruct their life. And the busyness that they felt in their marriage, that they didn't have their needs met and they had to do a lot, almost like everything emotionally, and keep track of so many things that they're doing double time now. Because not only is there no time for their self-care, but there's also the co-parent that they're having to work with and trying to re-envision their sense of family. So if this sounds like you, if you feel like in every corner there's lots more emotional work for you to do, there's lots more responsibility, the work-life balance is off, there's no time for yourself, this is a place where you can actually start building back and building on the idea of what's your new vision about family, about your life, about how you're going to survive this, thrive from this. Other women talking together and being understood around the challenges that come up. If this sounds like a place where you could settle in, do some work, and be open and understood, get in touch with me and we'll have a conversation to see if this is the right fit for you.